Oh, he's not even in here. Okay, well, so there's that.
Hey! Tag, you're it! Hey everybody!
Hey guys, so today we have a little bit of a different video for you.
Yep.
We were tagged on YouTube by Zach Does Things to answer 20 Disney questions in a Disney tag. But we're gonna do it a little differently and we're gonna do it our way.
Yeah, I'm excited.
What are we doing?
We're gonna play an old-fashioned game of tag.
Yep, we're literally gonna play tag and we made a bet. The loser has to do the dishes and the laundry for a whole entire month. Two things we absolutely hate doing. I hate doing the dishes.
Yeah, well,
and you hate doing the laundry.
That's why I'm gonna win, so.
Oh, wow, okay.
Yeah.
So the way it works is one of us will tag the other, ask 2 questions at a time.
Yep.
And the loser has to do the dishes and the laundry.
Okay.
Fair?
That sounds good.
All right, let's do it.
Tag, you're it.
Oh no.
Yeah.
Are you playing dirty?
Yeah.
Dang, are you serious?
I got 2 questions for you.
All right, fine. Fine, you want to play like that? Go ahead. Go ahead.
We started.
Go ahead.
When the video started, we started.
I'm listening.
What's your favorite Disney World snack?
Oh, my favorite Disney World snack. Probably the cheeseburger spring rolls from Adventureland in Magic Kingdom.
Good answer.
Salivating. Those are so good.
They are good.
And they're not there often. Actually, I don't even think they're open right now, which is kind of awful, but...
We gotta make those soon.
Oh, can we?
Yeah, we should.
I'm hungry.
And my second question is, what's your favorite Walt Disney World quote?
Oh, it's kind of fun to do the impossible. I say that one kind of often to you. I don't know. I like it because we kind of do like a lot of impossible things. Sometimes they work, sometimes they don't.
Yeah.
Our careers are kind of a little impossible, but
there's
here
a
we
lot
are.
There's a lot of good quotes, so it's hard to pick one. I agree.
I like that one. So I'm leaving before you tag.
Let's do tag. Tag. Come on, buddy. Oh.
Tag, you're it. Okay, ready? Favorite Disney character and why?
Goofy, because I am Goofy.
That's your reason?
Yeah. He's a lot like me.
Okay, fair. Marvel or Star Wars?
Of course, Star Wars.
Why?
Because those films are the best, and I can't get into Marvel.
I can't either. I don't think we've ever actually sat down and watched any of those movies either.
No.
Don't think I can get into it.
Maybe one day. Ah, tag, you're it. Tag, you're it.
All right, here we are.
What are you doing over here?
I'm working. What do you mean?
All right. Your favorite character experience at Disney?
Ooh. Well, obviously it has to be something with Donald. I'd say, okay, so I think we've actually shown these pictures on Instagram, but when we got engaged in Disney World, we took a picture with Donald in the Mexico pavilion, and we're like giving each other a kiss, and he's like in front of us and he's covering his eyes, and we recreated that on our honeymoon. So I think like that character experience, which, can we insert the pictures here?
Yeah.
There it is. Yeah, so I'd say that.
Okay. What about your favorite Disney villain?
Ooh, that's hard, actually. My favorite Disney villain, oof. Because the villains are my favorite. But Captain Hook, I would say, is my favorite villain because Peter Pan's like my favorite Disney movie. So I guess Captain Hook was like my first villain that I liked. But I really like Hades. Because he's like sarcastic and like kind of full of himself, and he's like kind of cool, and yeah. Why were those hard? Those were hard.
All right.
You startled me. My heart's still going
Good
like
job.
this. Because I can't hear you coming.
Go back
Thank
to
you.
work.
Yeah, great, thanks.
Rocco, what are you doing down there? What's your favorite Disney villain?
Rocco.
Tag, you're it. So, what's your favorite Disney?
Why are you getting me with my hair like this? And I have no
This is
makeup
the game. What is your favorite Disney memory?
My favorite Disney memory, oh my gosh. Probably when you proposed to me. That was fun. It was right in front of the castle, actually right in front of the partner statue, and I had no idea. I even checked your pockets and I didn't see anything.
Okay, second question. What is your favorite Disney pin and why?
My favorite Disney pin. Oof, this is hard. Okay, so actually, while we were on our honeymoon, we bought a boardwalk pin from the Boardwalk Inn. Because that's like a thing we do every time we stay at a resort, we buy a pin to bring back with us. But it's cute because it's like Mickey and Minnie, and they're like, I don't know. What's going on here?
He's upset.
What's going on?
You okay?
Yes, okay. Going with the boardwalk pin. Can I go do my hair and put makeup on now before you catch me off guard again, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. All right. Excuse me.
Do we have to do the intro?
I'm setting it up.
Oh.
Okay, ready? Hey guys, so Ryan thinks this is an intro to another video, but it's actually a tag.
What?
Okay, ready?
No.
Favorite Pixar movie?
Oh. Toy Story.
Why?
Yeah, because I like Buzz and Woody, and I just think it's a great movie with great music, and it has a nice meaning.
So the first one?
Yeah, the first Toy Story, yes.
Okay, and your favorite ride at Disney World?
Damn.
Come on.
Haunted Mansion, of course.
Obviously.
Because it's dark and gloomy, and I like that kind of stuff. It also is fun, it has great songs, and
it's a classic.
You know, yeah, and you know, you get to see a headless, you know, Madame Leota, so.
Okay.
I'm good.
Totally gonna win this tag.
Ha! Tag, you're it.
Can you stop scaring me?
Sorry.
Making the dog's food.
I know. He's right here. He's a little panty boy.
What? Okay, go ahead.
Okay, so what is your favorite Disney movie song?
Favorite Disney movie song? Oh, from Mulan. Make a Man Out of You, Donny Osmond. That is the best Disney song ever.
That's
like,
a good one.
Fight me, I don't care. Like, I will argue that one. I love that.
What about your favorite Disney park?
Magic Kingdom. Isn't that like, I feel like, maybe that's not everybody's favorite park. That's my favorite park. That's your favorite park. Yeah. I don't know. I feel like the magic most in that park.
I agree.
So, Magic Kingdom. Okay?
All right.
Can I finish?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Ryan's coming back from the grocery store, and he just asked me to meet him outside to help him bring the groceries in. Before we do, we're gonna tag him. All right, we're gonna hide. Buddy, be quiet. Be quiet. Sorry for the mess. Okay. Shh, Rocco, be quiet. Tag!
What?
I'm really loud in your
God.
face. I'm sorry. I know, I'm sorry. Okay, ready? Favorite Disney character meet and greet. Go.
Baloo and King Louie.
Where was that?
Animal Kingdom.
Oh yeah.
It was like on the dock. They were really funny. I like Goofy too, but I think I gotta pick them because they were fun.
All right, don't close the door because we had to bring the rest of the groceries in. Favorite Disney princess.
Disney princess. Well,
should we have saved that for me?
I like Disney. Well, we had Princess Jafar that we found at one of the Disney outlets.
Does that count?
You can see that video above, and I'll show a picture right now. Not really. I guess Disney Jafar doesn't count. What about? I like Jasmine.
That's my favorite.
Yeah, I like Aladdin a lot, so it's still in the same realm as Jafar. Because there'd only be one princess in that movie, so it has to be Jasmine, right?
I guess so.
All right, let's get the rest of the groceries.
Did you bring me ice cream?
Hi, Rocco. No.
So Ryan's in the room where we do a lot of our sit-down videos. He's setting up for a video we are supposed to record, so we're gonna go and tag him real quick, okay? Watch out, buddy. Okay, hold on. Oh, he's not even in here. Okay, well, so there's that.
Tag, you're it! I saw you coming.
Can you not do that? How did you know?
I heard you. I heard you, and I was hiding in the bathroom right there.
Great.
And I filmed you come up.
All right. So.
I got questions for you.
Is that how that works?
Yeah.
I'm trying to tag you.
But I tagged you.
All right, go ahead.
So, what is your favorite Disney collectible?
Oh, that's hard. I I don't know. Wait, I didn't think about this. I'd say, I guess anything we have of Donald. We have a lot of Donald plushes. I guess maybe more recently, we've been getting the Minnie Mouse main attraction, like stuffed animals.
Yeah.
So maybe those.
Okay.
I don't know. That's hard.
That's a good one. No,
Catch me off guard, and I can't answer these at all.
Okay. Second question: Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party or Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party?
Okay. Well, we've only been to one. We've only done the Christmas party. We're actually supposed to do the Halloween party next month. But it's not happening anymore. So
yeah.
I mean, I can only answer to the Christmas party. Actually, the Christmas party is a lot of fun.
Yeah.
But that's canceled this year too.
Yeah. So which one?
Well, I have to go with the Christmas party because I don't know anything else. No, let's go with the Halloween party because I want to do the Halloween party.
Yeah, I do too. Can't wait for that.
They're both fun, I promise, I think.
I got you.
Rocco, what are you doing, bud?
Come here, buddy.
I got you your water.
Thank you. Oh.
Surprise!
Oh.
Sorry. What? I feel like you need to like ice it. Like you need to get down on one knee and then just like chug it.
It's good.
Okay. I guess I have questions to ask you, right?
Yeah.
What is the most unique Disney collectible you have?
Oh. I'm gonna say it's probably the stuffed animal I have. His name is Hooter. He's from Captain EO. He used to run at Epcot, so it was with Michael Jackson. But it has one ear, and it's kind of beat up now. But
that's like old school.
I had it since the '80s. Yeah.
Wow.
I think it's 1987. I'm gonna say maybe.
I think we actually know where it is. So,
Yeah.
oh yeah, we do know where it is. We'll put a picture in so you can see what it is. Okay. Second question. Favorite Disney ride soundtrack?
Well, that's a tough one because I love Figment and I love Haunted Mansion, but I'm gonna go with Figment.
I feel like you sing Figment a lot.
Yeah, the Imagination song is just it's so catchy and it's fun and I like it. I think it's the best part of the ride for sure.
Can I get a little bit of credit for this, please?
That's awesome.
Thank you. Thank you.
I was busy watching the dog.
Yeah, well.
See, you even come out here. All right, Rocco and I are in the garage right now, and we're gonna tag Kristen when she gets home, and she should be home from work any minute. And I'm hiding in the garage, and we're gonna put the garage door open and see if she to kind of surprise her when the door opens. Let's see. Ha! Tagger it! Got you. Look it.
I would love to know how long you've been standing for. I mean,
You'll
seriously.
see. You'll see. You'll see on video.
Okay. Well.
Yeah. I got 2 questions for you.
Go ahead.
All right. You ready?
Sure. Sure.
Okay. Olaf or Sven?
Olaf. He's funny. Sven doesn't talk.
Olaf is funny. I like him. Sven,
Olaf.
yeah, I don't know. That question's a little weird.
Hey, what?
And what's your favorite underrated Disney movie?
Ooh. Ooh, that's hard. Great Mouse Detective?
Well, that's a good one.
Or actually, I think I'm gonna go with that one. But more recently, I have seen Robin Hood kind of like pop up everywhere. Like I think like Box Lunch has like a T-shirt or something like that.
Yeah.
So either Robin Hood or Great Mouse Detective. But I'm gonna go Great Mouse Detective.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's a good one.
Yeah. So I've been up since 3 o'clock in the morning. So thank you for doing all of this.
We've been waiting in the garage for like about an hour.
That's your fault, not mine.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, tell them.
I won!
Yeah. Ryan never wins, by the way. Ever. Like, I always win.
I know.
But somehow, you tricked me, and you won.
Yeah, I did. It's okay. I'm good at this game.
Yeah, clearly. So, looks like dishes and laundry are all mine.
Well, I'll help.
For a whole month.
I'll still help.
Good. You should. Actually, the washer's going right now, so you can fold those clothes when they're done.
I'm not good at folding.
This was fun, though.
Yeah, it was really a lot of fun. And we made it interesting, and we liked, the questions were really great. Yeah. So,
I'll put the questions down in the description.
Okay.
So you guys can check them out. Answer them yourselves. Comment below. Let us know your answers. We'd love to know everyone's different opinions on everything.
Yeah. And thank you for watching, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook at Adventures in Weberland.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you like what you see, give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you're notified every time we post a video.
Oh yeah, and we'll see you on the next Adventures in Weberland.
Oh, I feel like I need a dunce cap right now.
Tag, you're it.
No more tag. I'm not playing tag anymore.
Tag, you're it, Rocco. Tag, you're it. You're it, buddy.